Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Discord Nitro cheap. Discord Nitro offers fantastic perks like custom emojis, higher quality video, and larger file uploads up to 500 megabytes. There are two main tiers: Nitro Basic, which provides core chat enhancements, and the full Nitro subscription, which includes 2 free server boosts and a custom profile. Understanding these options is the first step to finding the best value for your needs. To save money officially, consider an annual subscription. Paying for 12 months upfront can offer a significant discount, often around 16% compared to paying monthly. Also, Discord sometimes offers regional pricing, so check if your location qualifies for a lower rate. Always be on the lookout for official promotions or sales events directly from Discord, as these can provide temporary but substantial savings on your subscription. Beyond direct subscriptions, there are other avenues to explore. Occasionally, retailers offer Discord gift cards at a slight discount, which you can then redeem for Nitro. Trusted communities and content creators sometimes host giveaways where you can win Nitro subscriptions. Additionally, keep an eye on various game bundles or special promotions, as these might include a few months of Discord Nitro as a bonus, adding value to your purchase. Once you've decided on the best way to get Nitro, the purchase process is straightforward. First, open your Discord application or visit the Discord website and click on the Nitro tab. Next, select your preferred Nitro tier, either basic or the full subscription, and choose between a monthly or annual plan to maximize your savings. Finally, enter your payment information, review your order, and confirm the purchase to instantly unlock all your new Nitro perks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.